In this video guide, we will give you instructions to remove ProSearchConverter.com. ProSearchConverter.com, which is a typical browser hijacker. The developers of this service claim that by installing the extension, you will be able to get some services related to converting files to various formats and vice versa. For instance, from PDF format to doc format or from doc to PDF. But the point is that they don't mention that after the extension is installed, the default search engine is also changed, and this change takes place without your permission. So when you start submitting some search queries, you notice that the results are delivered by Yahoo Search or by some other unfamiliar search engine. No matter what search queries you submit, you still notice that Yahoo Search is now in control of your browser settings. Well, actually, it's not Yahoo Search, but rather the extension called ProSearchConverter. ProSearchConverter simply steals the results from Yahoo Search. If you are not satisfied with such changes of your browser settings, what you need to do is to go to the menu, click on More Tools and select Extensions. Then you will find this ProSearchConverter extension in place. You need to deactivate it and then remove the extension completely. After this is done, the problem should be fixed with your browser. However, it could be that your system is also burdened by some adware. I recommend that you perform the automatic analysis and cleanup of your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. After the software is downloaded, it will start scanning your computer, and at the end of scan, the complete report will be granted to you. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The program has performed the free research of Mac computer, and at the end of scan, some threats were found. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. This is the detailed report about the location of each specific thread in your Mac. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you its exact location in Finder. After that, you may remove each specific thread manually, so one thread at a time. And this is the free way to remove threads manually from your Mac computer. Of course, you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threads automatically.